What's going on, everyone? It's Jeremy with JMed's Brick Clicks. I'm working on a new Lego tractor design. It's a 9570 RT, or the 9 series tractor with just the dual treads rather than the quad track. So I made this one in 2021. Jeez, I'm not 20 years ago. I wasn't that good. This one, great minifig scale. It's got the little door. I've done videos on this in the past. They've done fairly well. Got the tracks. Rolls okay. Got our back. Front weights. And I wanted to make this one a little better. I'm good with this one for my minifigures. For my farm, for implements, all my custom things that I pull it with, totally fine with. But I think I wanted to make it a little bigger just to see what it would look like. And this is a work in progress by all means. So hood comes up. We're still working on that. We're still working on this. But I wanted to give you a little bit of a preview of something that I'm going to finish. I guarantee it's not going to look like this when it's done. I've got to get some better window pieces. We got to build, probably move this back some, raise this up some to get the cab a little higher, probably get the front of the hood just a little bit taller, and then this whole back here over the wheels is going to be the gas tanks, the onboard tanks. And then I've got to build basically the entire rear end that's going to have rear receivers, lift arms, and all that stuff to make it look like a real tractor. The other side, we've got to do just like this one. We've got to add our exhaust and everything to it. Now this one I didn't make, then thinking about it, I didn't make it to where I could raise the front. And you can see, yeah, I got to get some more of those pieces to get those all in black. That's just a placeholder. That's why that's in red. But I know I hardly ever do this to show you the build process. So I've already redone this thing 3 times. At this point, I'm about 3.5 plus a little over 3.5 hours in to get to this. When you do custom stuff, it's slow going. You may build and, oh, I could have done that better. Then you got to take it apart. So it's 3 steps forward, 2 steps back, 3 steps forward, 1 step back. But that's where we are. That's one of the things I'm working on. Yeah, as you can see, so all the plates, slopes, more plates, and then I've got bricks. That's how I separate my stuff. I'd love to do landscape, so more power to you if you think you know how to sort better or do whatever. This works for me. Having small plates, large plates, and mostly all greens. It's great when you're doing landscaping or tractor building. But yeah, that's what the work in progress is right now. This little bin here is like all my tractor stuff. So hoods, small hoods, gears, a lot of those black pieces I'm using. There's lift arms. A lot of the black pieces I use for engines, the old backhoe pieces. So many great pieces in here to use. Fenders. So that's like my catch-all for farming stuff. And one of the things I always do, I always come over to my John Deere shelf with all my custom stuff, and I reference things on here. So my newest tractor before this one that I'm working on gets built, so the newest completed one is this one, in case you missed it. It's my John Deere 8RX. I had one, I didn't like it. I added steering to this one, which greatly just makes it look so much better. There's our side view. I know some people have this set. It probably looks like this with wheels. So I bought 2 of them. I wanted to have one official set that I didn't change out. And then one that I did, where I added the quad tracks, raised the cab a tiny bit, and made it minifig compatible. Working with these treads, they can be a pain sometimes, and trying to get them to roll correctly, yeah, they can be a challenge. doing it like that. This one here, using these wheels is one of the best things to do to get them to roll, those tracks to roll correctly. And I'm still not by any means an expert on it. I tried to get one using those types of wheels, and no, that didn't work. So anyway, that's what I've been working on. More John Deere tractors. I'm going to start doing some other color tractors. I'd like to make probably like a quad track in red, maybe one of the big case tractors. I haven't decided yet, but I might do a few different color ones. I mean, I've got a bunch of different color tractors. You just have to look around. But anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. Just wanted to do a quick update of what I'm working on. If you have any ideas or suggestions for my new John Deere tractor, let me know, and we'll see you in the next one.